Hi my friends, welcome back to another review. For today's video, we are reviewing the InBike jacket. This is size US X large. I normally take a large, however, we've done a large in the past with this brand and it was too tight. So this time we are trying an X large for US and EU. For Asia, it would be 2X large. Let's go ahead, put it on, and see how it feels. Alright, I'm loving the colors, the black, the green, very nice. While you guys look at it, I'm going to inspect the quality a little bit here. Seems okay. Quality looks like it's there, so that is a big plus. Alright, nice. Let's first check for any pockets on the back in case we miss anything. It's definitely great if you're bike riding or hiking or out in the woods or something. It's very reflective, as you guys probably can tell with the lights pointing at it. It is a zippered front. It is insulated enough inside so it's actually warm. Here we go. All right. I know it looks funny against shorts. Okay, yeah, that's definitely it. X large. So if you're American and you normally wear a large, go with an X large. The only thing I will say, and I don't know if maybe the brand just doesn't know this, but in America, women zippers are on the left side, while men zippers are on the right side. So when you see here and you're zippering up and you connect it and you pull up, excuse me guys, I had to sneeze and I didn't want to do that on camera, but yeah, so the zipper for men is on the other side. Right here, the zipper that you pull up and down is on the left, which would indicate a woman's jacket. So maybe they could do something different and switch that up when they're selling to American customers, but there we go. You know, that's just a little thing that maybe they can look into. So the zipper goes up the whole way to your chin. Zippered side pockets, which are very deep. You have a zipper pocket here and here. So that's actually pretty deep as well. You probably could fit a smaller cell phone, maybe even a bigger one. Yeah. So 4 pockets, very nice. It does fit good. So go with an X large, my friends. If you're American, go with an X large. You can freely move around. It's a little tight at certain spots, but that's probably because based on your shoulder. It depends if you're someone who actually works out muscle or if you're just someone who rides bike. It's going to depend. If you're a taller person but very skinny from bike riding or running, a large probably would be all right for you. But I still personally say go with an X large. That's my personal opinion, guys. Now let's check the hood. The hood's nice and big. You can obviously make it tight or not. You can obviously put it further back or right in front. But yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. I do like it. I will be wearing this. That's my honest truth. And no one is telling me to say, or no one is making me say anything. So all these are my personal opinions. That's why there's a little bit of negative with positive, because that's my personal opinion. I think they should change the zipper. And that's about it. I mean, again, if you're ordering, just go with an X large if you normally have a large. That's my personal opinion, because the difference between the X large and large is like this. So this is an X large. It goes to about your wrist. The other one was like this. So it went that far. And you can imagine how tight that would have been. So please order up, size up if you're American, especially if you're a little bit on the heavier side, order up, or if you're muscular type, order up. Thanks for watching, guys. I do like it. I like the color, the zippers and everything. So they do get a scoot pass, which is the good thing.